Next is metamerism. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula and the same functional group possess different types of alkyl groups attached to on both sides of the functional group. The phenomenon is known as metamerism, and such compounds are termed as metamers. For example, C4H10O. Step 1. C4H10O can be represented as C2H5O, C2H5 structure 1. CH3O, C3H7 structure 2. The molecular formula remains the same. Step 2. In structure 1, the alkyl groups are two ethyl groups. But in structure 2, the alkyl groups are one methyl group and the other alkyl group is propyl group. Therefore, this compound shows metamerism and the structure 1 and structure 2 are called metamers. Last one, tautomerism. It is a special type of functional isomerism in which the isomers exist simultaneously in a dynamic equilibrium with each other. Tautomerism, it can be defined as the phenomenon in which a single compound exists in two readily interconvertible forms which differ markedly in the relative position of at least one atomic nucleus, generally hydrogen. For example, HCN, known as hydrocyanic acid, it is also called hydrogen cyanide, but if it is in the liquid form, only this equilibrium is easily can be shown. In a liquid form, it is called hydrocyanic acid. Step 1. HCN can be represented by structure 1 and structure 2. Structure 1, H, C, triple bond, N. In dynamic equilibrium with hydrogen, single bond nitrogen, double bond and a dative bond with carbon. That is known as isohydrocyanic acid. This is known as hydrocyanic acid. Step 2. Chemical properties of these two compounds are entirely different. If such a structure is shown by a compound, it is known as tautomerism. Other examples are HNO2, C2H5NO2. Please do these examples. What all examples additional given in the textbook, try to do by yourself and check the answers.